Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing some good vibes nail art. I have already painted my nails yellow with some gel polish that I got from a cart. I will link all of the products down in the description. After the layers of yellow were cured, I did add a matte gel top coat to finish off the base of this design. I am going to be using my mini lamp from a cart to cure the nails. I am also using my black gel paint and my fine nail art brush. To start out this manicure, I'm going to be using the black gel paint and I'm going to be drawing some random circle shapes on the index nail. I do not want these circles to be perfect. I do want them to be kind of random in shape, but I do want them to kind of have a circle shape to them. I'm gonna do them a little bit spaced out, but not too far. I do want to add as many as I can to this nail while giving me enough room to do the smiley faces inside the circles. After I have all of them outlined, I'm going to be drawing smiley faces inside of those shapes, and some of them was a little bit difficult to get the perfect lines, but I tried my best. After I have all of that, I am gonna cure under the lamp. I'm gonna be doing the same design on my pinky nail. But of course, I am doing different shapes and different sizes because I don't want these nails to look exactly the same. After I like how the pinky looks, I am gonna cure under the lamp. Then for my ring finger, I'm gonna be drawing a peace sign. But of course, I'm not drawing the actual peace sign, I'm drawing like the hand gesture of peace. After I get that how I want, I am gonna cure under the lamp. Then for my middle finger, I'm gonna be writing the words good vibes. I did not want these words to be perfectly aligned, otherwise I would have made guidelines for myself to get a very even letter, but I didn't want that, so I just kind of freestyled it, and I really like how these turned out. I did go ahead and cure that under my lamp. Then for my thumbnail, I'm just drawing a smiley face. Lately, I've really been loving the look of having the background to be matte and the design to be shiny, so I'm not going to be adding any top coat over top of this design. After the final cure, here are the nails. I think these came out super cute. It makes me think of summer. I hope you guys love this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of what you think of this design, or if you have suggestions for future nail art. See you guys in the next video. Bye!